Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church. Today we've got this Willo AutoFlo Plus powered toothbrush. I'm very curious about this product here, and we're going to be opening this up, trying this out right after this. Okay, so now that I got the box open here, there's a quick start guide on top here. I don't want to lose that, so I'll put that to the side. I'm not really certain what this is. I'm told it helps you brush your teeth. I believe this is a kid's toothbrush starter kit. I'm going to open this a little later, but for now I just want to show you what exactly it is. This is it right here. I don't know. The word water pick is coming to my mind, but it really shouldn't be. I don't know why that is. But yeah, so this is kind of one of those things where I'm going to have to just try it out and then see how well it works and then see if I can recommend it. But honestly, anything that looks this cool, I have to recommend. Shoot. So, okay, this mounts there. This goes here. This goes there. What am I looking at here? There's something for the cleaning. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Okay, my gosh. I think the best thing we can do is just sort of set it up and then give it a good demonstration here, but I don't have this properly set up here, and I don't know if you want to see me do that. For the most part here, I'll have to follow the instructions, but I do want to check this out here as far as what this comes with. So, what is this? Oh, okay. Well, it's a power cord, so I know what that is. Where does it plug into? Oh geez, I'm dropping everything here. Okay, there's a place in the back to power that up here. So, it's got this thing. What the heck is this? Oh boy, oh you know what? Okay, demonstration, cut to that right now. Okay, I had to switch to my bathroom. This isn't the first time I've done a review of my bathroom. And I set up the instructions for this thing that I've got right here. And this is going to be an awkward angle because but I've got this thing in sight here. And basically what I had to do was essentially plug it into the wall. That was pretty easy. You can't really see it. Then I had to stick this tube in the sink. There's kind of a little suction cuppy thing on it that's supposed to suction cup in the sink, but for some reason from my sink, it just doesn't stick in there. It just kind of goes, just kind of comes right out. Yeah, it just came out right now. But you can't really see that. And then I had to fill this tank in the back here. Let me see if I can spin this for you. With some water up to a certain fill point, which I did. Very simple to do. Then I had to put in this thing. This is like a sort of thing that you could take out, and then you just kind of shove in one of their little, for lack of a better term, toothpaste packets. But it's not really toothpaste. It's kind of like it's basically toothpaste meets mouthwash, I guess. I'm not really sure how to describe it. And then, then I had to set up this thing, which is actually pretty simple. I'll show you. It just comes apart, or actually I haven't really taken it apart yet, but I put it together easy enough. But yeah, as you can see, there's kind of a thingy in here that's kind of got two things. It's wet because I had to run something in it there, and then there's this thing. And so this kind of has a divot on the back so it fits really well. So it's kind of error-proof, and then you put in this thing. And then what I believe is supposed to happen here is I'm just going to hit this button here, just so you can see what happens. Perhaps. Oh. Okay. So stuff comes out. See that? It's kind of going back and forth. Imagine what that'll do on your teeth. In fact, I'm going to give it a try right now. Okay, here's me trying this, and let's see how it works. So, you can't really see this here because of the way the light is hitting it, but it says flip right here. So basically, I brushed my uppers, and I think it took about a minute or so or something. So now I'm going to do it the other way, like this. All right, now I got to tell you, that is a very unique type of cleaning. And I'm assuming I can do something like this, right? Rinse it off. I'm not really certain. I will have to say, like, man, okay, this is kind of changing things, all right? This is the most unusual dental experience I've ever had. I must admit, putting it on the bottom part of my, I don't know, that was really uncomfortable to me just for a little bit, but it didn't have to stay there for very long. Man, I feel pretty clean and fresh up there, so that is pretty good, I must say. All right, I'm going to have to just give you the price for this. It's about this price here, and I have to say, I think I'm going to look forward to seeing what this company does here. For now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.